So I got the speedo almost done, but I got this one open. And repaint the dial. And look at all this. That crud. There we go. All dirty and crappy. Get in here, clean that up, repaint that dial. I'm gonna go get some modeling paint for that. Get all this crap cleaned up. Get her looking pretty again. Temps the same way. This one I haven't cleaned off the goop on the outside. But basically do the same thing to all of them. Amps, and then I'll test them all. I'll test the oil pressure gauge. I'll test all of them. See if they work. I did get the speedometer turned back to 0. That took a little bit of effort. Accidentally got a little close to my beard and ripped fucking wad out of my beard. It hurt. But I'm getting there.